So my characters are Stinkerbell, Peter Pot, Bendy, Juan.
No, only three. Only three.
Oh, okay. So Peter Pan. I mean, Peter. I was making Peter Pot.
Peter Pot.
Stinkerbell and Bendy.
Okay.
Okay.
Is Bendy your dog?
No, Bendy. Well, so one day, Stinkerbell flew through the window, and she said, "I need to find something stinky because my name is Stinkerbell." So Stinkerbell asked Peter Pot, "What's cooking to make stinky?" And I'm cooking broccoli, and sometimes broccoli can be stinky, even though it tastes really good. So Stinkerbell said, "Okay, Bendy, you bend down and you taste the broccoli and see if it's good." So Bendy did, and then Stinkerbell said, "Oh, this is perfect because it stinks." Not such a good story.
Yeah, good story. Yeah,
It's
let's
okay.
give Grandma.
Yeah,
Let's give
right.
Grandma a reply.
I had funny characters anyway.
Yay.
All right. Bye.